Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel cell lock. First, it's important to know that all cells are locked by default, but this only takes effect when you protect the worksheet. Locking cells prevents accidental changes to important data or formulas, maintaining data integrity. We will cover the essential steps to prepare your sheet, then apply the protection. This ensures your spreadsheet remains robust and reliable for all users. Before protecting your sheet, you'll likely want to allow editing in specific areas. To do this, select the cells you want to remain editable. Right-click on your selection and choose Format Cells, then navigate to the Protection tab. Here, simply uncheck the locked box. Remember, these changes only become active once you apply the full sheet protection. Now that you've designated which cells can be edited, it's time to apply the protection. Go to the Review tab on the Excel ribbon and click Protect Sheet. In the dialog box, you can set a password, which is optional but recommended for security. Also, select the actions users are allowed to perform, such as selecting unlocked cells or formatting columns. For more advanced control, you can protect specific ranges with different passwords, allowing varied access levels. You can also hide formulas in locked cells, preventing others from seeing your calculations while still allowing them to input data. This adds another layer of security and professionalism to your spreadsheets. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.